Atlassian Hack House is about emulating the Atlassian environment. Just like Atlassian, it's smart people working together, lots of fun, massive challenges, and a real big focus on shipping products.
This is a little bit of where Atlassian came from, so maybe you asked about why the Hack House, and hopefully the grads can take away a little bit of the fact that we came from small roots and sort of a hacking culture, if you like.
So 10 years ago, we were grads like this, right? We didn't have the beach house, it wasn't the fridge full of beer and V, but
there was a fridge full of beer.
There was a fridge full of beer, but it was hard-won beer. Yeah, so we were basically hacking on a kitchen table, building something from scratch, and I guess taking it to the world. We've always had some training for new recruits, right? And so the idea is basically get it off-site, make it a more intensive program. It's really good for graduates to have, get to know their peers rather than being, flying across the different buildings we have to all be sort of concentrated here.
I think you've just been nominated to go first, Richard. Say Robert, shout.
I guess everything that happens here are skills that translate directly back to the workspace. You're going to be dealing with each other every day. You're going to be coming to arrangements, solving problems.
Yes, I think this is certainly the most fun I've had of the first day anyway. So.
One of the reasons to start Atlassian, right, was to create somewhere that we wanted to work, and I hope that 10 years on, with the values of the company and the culture that we have, the spirit that we have in the company, the philanthropic contributions we make, the amazing products that we create, the whole thing in a package is still a place that I like to work.
A really innovative bunch of people, a really young company that's growing fast.
I think Atlassian's core values really sums up the culture that exists there, but what stands out the most to me is the honesty, whether that's when you're talking or communicating with your colleagues, with customers, or even with yourself, and being able to recognise your shortcomings.
I've heard about the FedEx Challenge and how small teams work for a day or so on something that they're passionate about, some product.
The graduates are being asked to develop a feature or a plugin for one of the existing Atlassian products.
That's exciting because we're graduates. I don't think any other company would let you do that. You'd be working on bugs or you'd be writing documentation for 6 months before you got to do something exciting like that.
Everyone's screaming to get this thing done. The excitement is everywhere.
There's a compromise between working out when to go to bed or whether you should keep adding more features because we need to make a presentation tomorrow.
I guess the culture at Atlassian for us, we have a pretty strong set of values, and we really want to attract the people that basically fit with those values. And so for us, the values are kind of about teamwork, about putting the customer first, and I guess for us, we don't take ourselves too seriously. We like doing what we do, we like coming to work every day, but we don't want it to be sort of buttoned down, suit culture. And so having something like this at the Hack House really fits with us.
We're focused on building a company that's going to be around in 50 years, and I think it starts with that. We want people that are working with us to achieve that goal, and I think every Atlassian wants to build a long-lasting company, and it kind of starts there. I think we look for bright, smart, creative, hardworking people that are going to make a difference in whatever job that they're focused on doing.